In front of me is VIVO Y19s, and today I would like to show you how you can change font size. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now scroll down a tiny bit to click on Display and Brightness. Then scroll down again to choose Font and Display Size. And operate this slider under Font Size to adjust it. You can check out Preview at the top. When you're ready, go back. As you can see, after that, the size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!